Hi, I'm Centera Getty.
I'm Taylor Nias.
I'm Amanda Moore.
I am Marcel Fonfon.
And I'm Shelby Carpenter. And this is our proposed system development project for the International Honor Society for Economics, Omicron Delta Epsilon, titled ODE Website Modernization. The team was provided with the following objectives to incorporate into the proposed system. First, we wanted to modernize ODE's website with an easier to navigate menu. Second, we were tasked with creating an online system that makes it easy for chapter advisors to add new members. Next, we were tasked to create an improved online setup for invitees to accept the invitation themselves and become members. And finally, we were tasked to create an online database to look up current ODE members and chapters.
Here is our agenda on the steps we followed to develop the new system by following the system development lifecycle. This is broken into 4 sections where we will break each step down and discuss the new system development at each stage. Because we followed the SDLC model, our first stage is the systems planning and selection. During this stage, it helped us identify ODE business needs, perform a feasibility study, and define system requirements by addressing the gaps in the current system and process. This ensured that the proposed system is aligned with the business objectives, is feasible, and is the best possible option for addressing the identified needs. We found that this proposed system is economically feasible and has a break-even point of 4.35 years. At this point, the project will have generated enough revenue to cover all of its initial cost and ongoing expenses.
The next stage was the systems analysis. This is where we worked closely with our point of contact, Caroline Collier, to ask questions to all ODE officers, 3 chapter advisors, and 12 current ODE members regarding the website's expectations to ensure support stood for the proposed changes to the website. We needed to deeply understand and document what the new system needed to achieve, how it was going to function, and how it would integrate into existing processes. We did this by constructing a systems requirement specification document as a blueprint for the design phase. There were also various DFDs and ERD models created to represent the data flows and interactions between new website features and revised processes. This showed how the processes would integrate with existing ones and help set us up for the next phase, which is systems design.
The system design phase takes all the detailed requirements we gathered for ODE's website modernization and turns them into a blueprint for building the system. It focuses on how the system would be constructed and operated. This design blueprint ensures that the system would be built according to the requirements and function as intended. This includes creating a prototype website to help visualize the user interface and gather feedback from ODE, chapter advisors, and officers prior to finalizing the design.
Although we have created the prototype website, we have not yet received feedback from ODE chapter advisors and officers. If all is well, we will be able to finalize the design and begin building and operating the modernized site. This is called the System Implementation and Operations phase. Coding, configuring, data migration, and end-to-end tests would all need to take place in addition to ongoing maintenance and a help desk for troubleshooting issues to implement and deploy the system. Once the system is live, a post-implementation review would need to be conducted to evaluate the system's performance and effectiveness and whether it satisfies all of the original objectives. Thank you so much for your time.